Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hire a professional logo designer on Fiverr step by step. Whether you are starting a new brand, YouTube channel or business, a high quality logo is one of the most important things. And the best part, you can get it done by an expert in just a few hours at an affordable price. If you want to check out the Fiverr best logo designer, I will drop my special Fiverr link in the description below. You can explore top rated designer and get your logo done first. So why Fiverr? Because Fiverr has a thousand of professional logo designer for your business from all around the world. You can compare portfolios, read reviews, check ratings and pick the designer that fits on your style and budget. Whether you want a minimal, modern, vintage or 3D logo, you will find expert for every niche. So let me show you how simple it is. Go to fiverr.com. Fiverr is a freelancer marketplace. So go to fiverr.com and use the Fiverr, choose your budget, delivery time and you search on logo design. Then you will come here, browse the designer profile, check their work sample. This is a profile, check the client reviews. Once we open to Fiverr gig, you can check here. Yes, this is a Fiverr business logo designer. You can check their order. He have already running 16 order in queue, running 63 reviews and basic price $15 and a standard price $45. You can check here. They complete so many project already done. Yes, he create multiple logo design for his client. So there are so many options. You can check there and check their reviews, order already running. They are very professional. So if you have to need, you can take their service from here. So you can contact seller, contact anything you can do on there. So first of all, important thing, clearly explain your brand name and purpose, provide color preference or logo inspiration, choose seller with high rating and portfolio sample you have. So this is important. Don't forget to check for commercial use rights. You are using it for business. So that's it. You can check anyone. This is second one. He create business logo for your brand, only $15. He already 21 order in queue running and 59 reviews already. He have 4.9 reviews he have. So there's so many professional. You have to need, you can contact with him. So there are so many expert, you can check there. I will add there this page link on my description below. You can go there, this link, use this link and contact anyone. They are very professional. You can check 4.9 rating, so many reviews he have and basic price $15, $30, $25, so many. So there are so many price. You can choose your seller details, level 1 seller, new seller or level 2 seller, and you can choose budget, how you have budget, and you can check seller level, top rated seller or level 2 seller, new seller, anyone you can hire. So and that's how easy to hire logo designer on Fiverr. So you don't need to spend thousands of dollars. You can get a professional custom logo quickly and easily. I have add my special Fiverr link in the description. Check it out and explore top logo designer today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.